Are you tired of playing video games with too good of control interfaces? Well, good news is, I still live in a motorhome. No wait, that's the bad news. The good news is, we're going to streamline the control interface to not be good. Did I say tired of good? I feel like I may have botched this. It could totally be fine. Kitsu Momochi! Laser cut a game controller and send it to GameGrumps. So, this is, they didn't ask for it, but we made... They didn't ask for it, but we made it and sent it to them anyways. We don't have a laser cutter, so it's not going to be a laser cut, but it is going to be a game controller, and it's definitely 100% going to GameGrumps. And we're going to go with it. They don't know. I mean, they know we're coming, but they don't know about this. We're going to destroy the user interface of an N64 controller by replacing the B button, A button, or Z button with some other sensor. Maybe like a microphone, so if you want to press B, you have to scream really loud. There's also a flame sensor. And imagine every time you wanted to jump, you had to turn a lighter on in front of the... I think it's a great idea. I don't know, what do you think? Sound sensor? We just pick? How about we just like discuss off camera and then come back to it and say like just scream it really loud? Sound sensor? Sound sensor! Let's take it apart. Fun fact, this is actually Cameraman John's Nintendo and controller. This thing is all sticky. Not the controller, the screwdriver. I mean, no, but seriously, the screwdriver is covered in something. Actually, it kind of feels like, you know, when you get like a credit card in the mail and you have to peel it off and it's, you know, that weird, it's like a really sticky booger. What button did we decide on? Was it the B button? God, we don't even have a TV to try this on, so we're kind of winging it. If we wanted to be smart about this, you could probably do a man in the middle where you actually use the controller as a controller, have an Arduino on the output, and interpret it, and then connect the sensor to it. So what we're going to do instead is just guess at which button we think this would be most fun to have it on. And we can't stop thinking about Pikachu, and I think his lightning bolt attack is B. If it's not B, I think we're going to be taking this thing apart frantically. Let's pull this off, see which button is the B button. We can literally take the B button out. Does this complete a circuit? Do you want to grab the multimeter? I think it's in a cardboard box over there. And doing the man in the middle with an Arduino would have been cool, because then you could interpret the commands and then inject your own command and then send it to the Nintendo, so you could like swap or have like randomly, you know, the most miserable gaming experience. You find it? All right, thank you. Am I rambling? Yeah. All right. Cardboard box. Wait. Yeah, like an Amazon box. Is that weird? I'm describing like an actual regular folding cardboard box as an Amazon box. What do you call that when a brand sort of takes over? Like Taser or Kleenex or Jell-O? Brand appropriation. Or your brand is so successful that people are using it as a, yeah! I'm not gonna finish whatever I was talking about before this. So Aaron messaged me on Twitter, and Ego Raptor, he said that we should come down to their office, and I said, okay. Oh nice, that's conductive. So all we have to do is find some points to tap into. Whoa, what is this? There's like different circuits on here. Oh, wait, what? There's multiple ways for this to complete a circuit on the board. Maybe this is more reliable or something. How do we connect the sensor to it? What if we stick a relay board, which is totally overkill, attach the relay somewhere, you know what? We're gonna need tape and zip ties. We're going to take the sensor output, ground, power, analog out, and digital out. So you can probably tune this so that when the sound measurement gets above a certain level, it turns the digital pin high. Then we can use that to trigger a relay, and the relay simply shorts this button together. Okay, so that works, but we got to now, I think, adjust the potential. Well, okay, I don't have an oscilloscope. I used to have an oscilloscope. And then a friend let me borrow his oscilloscope, and now neither of us have oscilloscopes. Do I need to explain what happened? Let's adjust the microphone sensitivity. It's not doing anything. This is like a 20-turn pot, too. How do we make a constant sound without me having to scream like a lunatic? Okay, I'm gonna be honest, this seems to be doing literally nothing. Am I on the analog signal? What's going on? How do I make this work? Hey.
I was gonna go up on the hill.
Yeah.
But I thought I'd check in with you first.
We're just over here, you know, doing normal stuff. No one's. Are you rating my stash of beer? We're making a video game controller that you have to scream to press a button. So if you yell, ah!
So if you like mess up and you say, what would happen?
You can't. This is a family-friendly channel. No, it's.
You had Michael from Hawaii come on your channel, and you say it's family-friendly?
Yeah, and I had to do a lot of editing. And we built a taser to get him to stop swearing.
Do you threaten him with it?
No, we actually used it.
Show me how it works.
You just scream, and it clicks, and that will activate a switch here. I thought we were going to be done with this like an hour or two ago, but I don't really have an excuse.
Alright.
Remember in the cat alarm clock video when the soldering iron was broken? Well, turns out it's still broken, so we're at Fry's, buying another soldering iron. Is that it? Oh, I need solder and flux. I used to have both of those. Also, I remember watching Eagle Rapper's videos back in like high school. Nah, you know what? It's Eagle Rapper now. Man, it's kind of funny like being a fan and then finally, you know, you sort of become, is he a fan? Is it weird to call him a fan? I feel like he is a fan, but we're also fans, so it's like mutual fanship. So it shouldn't be that weird. So we're at the address he gave us, but it's literally a Wendy's, and I think we should call him because I know he likes Wendy's and he maybe had just like copied and pasted where he went to lunch. Did he not have checked that? Hey man, you gave us the address to a Wendy's. Are you serious? That's this, okay.
William Osman.
You live in a Wendy's?
Yeah, dude, come on in.
Thanks.
We got good food. What do you got?
We have an N64 controller that
was
looks...
here the whole time?
Oh god, we ruined this. We got rid of the B button,
okay,
and we replaced it with a microphone. And so if you want to press B, you have to scream. We were thinking of putting other sensors on it, like there's one that's like a moisture sensor, so you have to like lick it every time.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You should have done that one.
Well, I just, that one seemed a little bit like, I don't know.
Like you would have had to test it.
Yeah.
And then you'd bring it and I'd have to lick it
I mean, we
too.
could clean it, but just I feel that would have looked.
Okay. Oh, and this is Cameraman John's controller. Right?
Yeah, it is. No, it actually is. It's his childhood
N64
N64 controller. We dug it out.
You wrote Cameraman John when he was sick?
What? It doesn't matter. No one takes anything we do seriously.
Sweet. I guess let's play Smash Brothers then.
All right. I'm so excited for this.
I mean, was that ever mentioned? We're playing Smash Brothers.
We were talking about Pikachu at some point.
Okay, cool.
I sort of, you know how that one thing you did where you're like, then do Smash.
Yeah. Well, Pikachu is my favorite character to play in Smash, so that's perfect.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. Unless you wanted to play as Pikachu.
No, I don't. Well, I don't even know who's.
Okay.
Hey, I'm Grumps.
And I'm William! Whose copy of Smash Brothers is this? Is this yours, John? You're missing two characters. Ah! Ah! Wait, hold on. Is it B? Is it B?
Blow on it?
Ah!
Oh, it's not on.
Oh, okay.
I mean, I should have not turned it on and let that go on as long as possible.
Go ahead. B button! B button! B button! It seems like if I go too loud, it's not. You okay there?
I'm trying to.
You want a screwdriver?
Yeah.
Or?
Oh, well, you know what?
Is your pot not working? B button! Okay, if I get like right up to it, it works. All right, I'm Pikachu. What are you, Kirby?
Am I like, is that in the stereotypical?
No, Kirby's good.
Okay.
No,
I feel like I play nothing but Kirby. Maybe it's like the being able to fly around is sort of like it's easy to fall off the edge.
I gotta. Okay, so B is the specials. Okay, yeah. So if I wanna thunder. This is awesome. Lightning bolt! Pikachu! Pikachu! Pikachu!
Man!
Pikachu! Skull Bash! Oh wait, that's not in this game. Pikachu! Pikachu!
This controller is weird.
Pikachu! Pikachu! It's not working! Ooh.
Pikachu! Did I go the wrong way? Pikachu! Try that.
Okay.
Also, John, your controller is definitely covered in saliva.
Oh yeah. Wow, that is a significant amount of saliva. I don't know if you can see that. That's looking like a Sprite commercial. Pikachu! Pikachu! Okay, that one's reasonable.
I feel like I should be yelling too, but it does nothing to help me.
Thunder!
Kirby!
Up! Damn it! Of course I lost. Jesus, you're playing with the upgraded kickstarted controller, and I'm playing with what looks like a goddamn time bomb. Couldn't bring this on a plane. Who should I don't want to be. Away! Hey, that worked. Jigglypuff. Nice, that's a good choice.
I'm starting to think we should have made 2 controllers, but both with different.
Oh, you had the lick one?
Yeah.
And I have the scream one?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I have a whole box of sensors, like a flame sensor, so you have to like flick a lighter every time.
Where do you get you go, like Radio Shack? Like where'd you get all this shit?
You can the toilet store.
Puff! 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 Jiggly Puff! Puff!
Samus.
You're still beating me. Puff! God damn it! You know I'm gonna do it because I'm telegraphing. Wait, come here. Go to sleep! Sing a song! Yeah, gotcha! Puff! Puff!
Screaming the actual command or what you want to do is completely unnecessary, but you feel like that's what you want to do.
Yeah, that's what you have to do.
Yeah, but like you could just go like ah, but it's
See, it doesn't work as well. If I go puff, it always works.
right in the crotch.
Die! Yes! Yes! Oh no, don't survive! Don't survive!
No!
Puff! Yes!
It's not fair.
Victory is mine!
I should be the one having an easy time, and I've lost both times.
You should just have like cones, and each cone is a different button.
Yeah.
So you have to be like, ah for left, and then ah for A. Can we do a sequel where that's the invention?
I actually think that'd be funny to come back, like try to invent something to like ruin your guys' gaming experience.
Because this is like, apparently I can still beat you. Captain Falcon. Falcon punch!
Yes! Oh my god.
Look, no hands. Look, watch this. Falcon punch!
Wait, I can punch myself.
Falcon punch! See, it doesn't work. It doesn't work because
Well, now I feel stupid.
now it knows me.
Falcon!
I don't need a B button to win. I got my wits and my skills and my A button. Like I'm really not that crippled in this situation. Falcon kick! Falcon kick! Falcon kick! Damn it! Falcon kick! You son of a Oh, I could have recovered! Oh, I could have recovered with the scream! Oh man. Alright, can I keep this? That's something I can keep. Cameraman John, can I keep your childhood controller?
There you go, that's a question you gotta ask him. Yeah? I feel that's an honorary place for your childhood controller. Do you have another one we can take back in return?
Oh yeah, dude, I've got like 1,000
Okay.
N64 controllers.
And then we can make another terrible controller, and pretty soon all your regular N64 controllers are gonna be completely ruined.
I'm just letting you borrow them to mod them.
And they keep coming back with worse and worse inputs. This one you have to run on a treadmill 30 miles an hour to
Oh my
press
god,
B.
I'm kind of way into that. Like if we play like Mario 64 and like up on the joystick is like running on the treadmill, that's perfect. That's like real life VR.
If you have problems screaming at it and it's not doing what you want, just play with that until it clicks.
Oh, twist the pot.
Yeah, and then go right to when it's off. Hey, when's the last time you showered?
Yeah, that's it. Can we edit this out?
Yeah.
Are you rolling? This is the outro.
Thanks for playing along.
Yeah, man. Thanks for creating something
That you could cover in saliva?
Yeah, I gotta put it towards the screen. Thank you for giving me this gift.
You're welcome. And if you have a suggestion for a project for us to make and send to someone unsolicited, leave it in the comments below.
It's down there.
Yeah, right down there.
In the
No,
comments.
you have to go up. Oh, wait, no. Actually, that doesn't make any sense. All right, see you next time. Well, Aaron and I are shaking hands. It seems like a good opportunity to announce the Moist Pony winner, so send us a message to claim your moistness if you see your name on the screen below.
Where's the bathroom? The bathroom?
Yeah.
Damn it. Just realized we're in the bathroom. Was that the gag?
I don't have any gags. Do you remember even drinking that much water today?
This is, yeah, I think my body just created it.
Hey.